So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to short sell Adani ports in the market level now around 843. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I've just entered a short sell on Adani ports. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. Today I'm short selling Adani ports in the market level now. So let's see how it will perform. Okay, so the market is not much of a bullish today, and you can see the first 5 minutes candle, there was no much strength here for the buyers. Okay, so that's why I decided to go short selling. So let's see how the stock will perform, and if you guys wish to get the live market update from me, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make a consistent profit in intraday trading. And also I'll be guiding you personally in the live market also. So now let's wait for the stock to perform. So we have short sold, so let's wait for it. Okay, so I'm planning to book like 4 to 5 points target and take the exit in Adani ports, not holding too much in the stock. So let's see. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses today. I'll teach you the exact needed simple skill without indicators to make consistent profit. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. You can see the stock is still trading around 841 range. So I'm just waiting for the breakout to happen. I think once it goes below 840, we can expect some of the fast movement to happen, and I shall take my exit. And also there's a good strong support around 837, so I shall exit before that. So now you guys can watch how it will perform. Okay, so you can see the live trade what will happen. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 838 and I taken my exit, so I almost booked 4 points plus. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.